Peter, how are you, buddy? It's Sal Carolla from Remax, as you can see. I'm sending you this quick email with the video requesting a review from Zillow. I know I sent it to you a while ago. I would just want to remind you, if you could, please, just, a quick review on Zillow for me. The link is right below me, so just, hit that link. It'll take you right there, and you can fill it out really quick. Okay? It does help my business. Zillow gives me a lot of business, and when people visit Zillow, they tend to look and pick the realtor through all the good reviews. So the more I have, the more business I'll get. I hope all is well. Hope you're enjoying the apartment and everything's working out fine with you. Stay safe at work, and please call me whenever you need to. Okay? But again, thanks again ahead of time for filling out the Zillow review. A quick one would be good, as long as it's a good one. All right, I'll speak later. Bye-bye.